Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch personal PayPal account to business account. And we're going to start right away. Now first, let me believe you are logged into your PayPal account. Then once you are logged in, on your account's dashboard you need to click on gear icon. It's located between the bell icon and the logout option. So once you click there, you will be taken to your account settings. So the next step, you need to scroll down here. You will see upgrade to a business account. So you need to click on it. Then next here you'll be asked to provide more details about your business. So just click on this drop down icon and select the type of your business. You have individual or sole proprietorship, and next one we have sole proprietor, partnership and corporation. So select the option that suits your business. Then once you're done, just click on continue button. Then on your next screen here you have two options to upgrade to business account. So you can choose the first option if you want to create a new business account separately, or you can still upgrade your personal account to business account. Now the main subject of this video is to upgrade from personal to business account. So you need to select the second option, and next just click on continue. Here you need to enter your business contact information. So start with legal business name, so that's the name of your business. Then below here just enter your business phone number. Then after that fill in your address details, so that is address line 1 and line 2, followed by city, postal address. Then on primary currency you can as well select your preferred currency if you want. By default it is in US dollars. And once you're done, just check this box right here to agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. And next just click on agree and upgrade account, and your personal PayPal account will be switched to business account. So it's that simple. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.